In this video, I am going to show you how to view asset allocation in Origin Financial. Let's get started. The main place to check your asset allocation is the Invest tab from the top navigation menu. Once you open Invest, you will land on the overview dashboard that summarizes all of your connected investment accounts in real time. On this page, look for the portfolio card. This section gives you a visual breakdown of how your money is currently distributed across different investment categories, such as U.S. stocks, international stocks, bonds, crypto, cash, and other asset types. It helps you quickly understand where most of your portfolio is concentrated. If you want a deeper look at what is creating that allocation, switch over to the Holdings tab inside the Invest section. Here, Origin displays every individual investment position connected to your accounts, including stocks, funds, bonds, and digital assets along with their current value and performance. By reviewing the holdings list together with the asset allocation chart, you can clearly see which investments make up the largest percentage of your portfolio. This makes it easy to evaluate diversification and decide whether your investments are balanced the way you want. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.